This Young Flame, know what I'm saying? I'm about to just go on this rampage to kill this shit, know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Put this shit in the casket when I'm done. I love it, son. Look. Yeah, it's Slum Flame, man. I'm going on a rampage. Iced out bezel, put that light in your damn face. You can get it too, but you know it cost some damn change. And I got some nice aim, like I'm in the gun range. Yeah, I like to eat, so I gotta go ham on them. Smoke a lot of trees. Could you put some extra grams on them? Liquor got me leaning, Young Flame. Gotta stand on them. Going on a rampage, plus I'm going ham on them. But look, I'm back. Old school nigga with the new school swag. I got so much money I can throw it for eggs. Throw it if you eggs, I can blow it if you eggs. Man, I smoke a lot of weed, man, I could do by the half. Nigga, what the fuck is this?